Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde, welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to fix my frosting cap disaster. I don't know if you can see it, or how could you miss it? See the lines in my hair for my last frosting cap disaster? I've gone like a couple weeks with this and I just can't take it anymore. So we are going to try something new. Like for real. Hey, hey, I wanted to show you what happened. Look. Can you see the lines? The lines on my head? You see what happened in the back? This is what happened when a frosting cap goes bad. I don't know what happened. I honestly don't. I wasn't paying that much attention. I slapped on the bleach, went and watched TV, and then took it off. And apparently this happens. Okay, so we're in the bathroom. We're not going to the bathroom. We're in the bathroom, and we're gonna fix the hair. Now you can see very clearly why I'm unhappy with my hair. These stripes, it's all bad. It's not even blonde. I don't know what it is. It's just, ugh. So we're doing it. My first tip for you is put your liquid in first. This is not educational. You know, this is not educational. This is not informational. This is just for entertainment. Let's see what happens if I decide to bleach my hair myself. Always put your liquid in first because I've been having such a hard time with getting this bleach right. So then I put the bleach in. Don't add it all. Add like half of it and stir it up. Because there's no room in here. When you're doing a whole bunch of bleach, there's just no room to mix everything up. Just get it right, because last time I didn't get it right. And you can see, I mean, you can see, look while I'm mixing. You can see what happens when you get your foil cap wrong. I mean, your frosting cap wrong. Oh yeah, we're wearing the glasses this time. It's not pretty. You know what? It's not pretty doing this. Ooh.
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy, layer on some diamonds.
Alright, so here's what it looks like. Yeah.
Maybe we could go to the mall, get our nails done, get our hair done, we fly. Maybe we could holler at the boys, looking so good, whistle when they walk by. Cause we know what they want, but we just laugh. Yeah, we won't let them get away with that. We walk tall, our heads held high, cause we so motherfucking fly. Yeah, wings of gold, we touch the sky.
So this is what I've been doing. I'm taking pieces and just kind of pulling them through like that. Now I wait. That's what we do. Oh no. It's a slow process, but you have some. I hate how I look. Sorry. Not gonna look at it. I'm gonna turn that camera around so I don't see it. Okay, so you're still here, even though is happening. So let's do a turnaround because that's what we do sometimes. So, this is what it looks like. We're just gonna let it sit and keep watching it. I've just been messing with it more and more and more and more and more and more and more. Check it out, I'm almost blonde. It's still too orange. Can't seem to tone this out, so I have to lighten it. Okay, so here's what we're looking like now. I was just informed that I have a brown spot in the back of my head. I didn't know. I know the underneath is very orange still. Should I dye it? Should I tone it? Should I dye it? Should I tone it? The dreaded Wella T18. You've let me down before. I'm toning, I'm toning, I'm toning, I'm toning, I'm toning. If I could get my hair to be this color, this would be me. I'm not so sure about this one.